Salisbury now, Romsey now. There we go, Romsey through now. We're just now on the way back to Eastleigh now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh, they cancelled the Chinese Ford service. It's a good thing we're not on the same route back, isn't it?
Yeah.
And besides, I was only booked for this tour anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're now branching off. We're likely to Eastleigh, which by transport ahead, but we're taking the branch off, going via Southampton on the return.
Yeah.
Because we hit leverage, just go straight to Eastleigh, you go straight, isn't it? But it's okay though, it knows what it's doing, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like doing these core tools. It gives a break more, doesn't it? Nice. Another well done tea. Yeah. Just got a bit of tidying up to do now, so as we need not far from Eastleigh again, after we get to go through Southampton. We've got enough time just to get things tidied up before we arrive, isn't it? My train I'm planning to get is the 47 or 49 minutes plus back home. Back to Booker via Farnborough. Are you working still, or are you retired now then?
I'm still working, but yeah, retiring soon.
Oh really? Where do you work at still?
School.
Oh, school is it?
Yeah.
You're just doing it for your school kids just to turn by a steam train?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. I wish my teachers could do all that stuff. I used to go to the Over School and then the Wood School, right? And I know I'm a big fan of trains and don't talk about trains. We used to do that when we were on the bridge.
Oh.
But you know, I should go at one point. You know, I bought a cool T-shirt actually for when I was on the bridge. Warning: may start talking about trains. Well, I did enjoy the Abbey, but most of it was half and half in that time actually. But I did really well there actually.
Good.
But it was just annoying though. I didn't do any work experience. That was really annoying. And guess what? Michelle wanted to do. Guess what Michelle wanted to do? She wanted to help with Miss Nut and Miss Scott really, and I wanted to do maybe join Charlotte. Guess what she was doing work experience at? She was
for last round of coffee.
Oh, right, thank you.
She was working at. Guess what she did her work experience? She worked in a nursery.
Alright.
So guess what? Sean should have been with. We should have switched because Sean, not Sean actually, but Sean, right? He wanted to do work experience. He worked in a model shop, but he didn't even. He was not looking forward to it. So I should have took his spot for him. But hey, it was not up to me. It was up to that weird teachers, wasn't it? Crazy fools, aren't they? Those teachers, aren't they? So I think it must be a mix-up. I should have been on the model shop, and this should have been, and Sean should have been on the key shop, isn't it? But you know, they should have done. Double check in case you sure you want to do this work experience. You sure you're happy with the work experiences? Not just put them in the dull places. I know it's not that funny, but I just have a little laugh. You know what I mean? Oh wow, we're on time as well. Yeah, so not too far to go now. Okay. Is David Ford. Thank you. good at visual festivals, I don't mind being filmed, but sometimes when my filming today, I just prefer to be next to the window and film my stretches of life. But to be honest though, mine and Joe's think that's a cool boat.
Very nice.
Yeah. And there you go. Yes, Branuton was coming into the station. Well, it is a shame we didn't get over to see it at Salisbury though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So how long have you been running as a teacher then for them?
Oh, about 20 years.
Oh, blimey, that's a long time then.
Yeah.
So, you're ahead of me. I worked for St. George for 5 years. So I've got a long way to go, and you're a bit behind. And it'll be different stories altogether. Oh, by the way, there was one thing I was going to tell you actually. There was one crazy girl called Edith, and guess what? How old she was? 101.
Wow.
I go on her first flight ever. Unbelievable for that, isn't it? That's really crazy for an age. She could have been dead by now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Who was her first passport when they were 101?
Wow.
I wouldn't do that, isn't it?
No.
I've got my new passport ready. I'm just ready to go on board to go to. Guess what I'm having to go for this year? So my 32nd birthday. Going to plan to go to Germany.
Very nice too.
Well, it was still going ahead. It should do. It's just a wait and see, isn't it? It's something you can do. Just wait, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just like James May says with Top Gear. Remember that James May's Top Toy Series one? Yep. We're going to be nice and early back out Eastleigh. My train's at 15:44. Yeah. Yeah, they are. Lovely people enjoying the views. Yeah. Nice to see joining the main line now after the junction again. Quite good turnaround, wasn't it? So it's about how long? About 2 to 3 hours, wasn't it? That so, wasn't it?
Yes, I think it was.
2 hours, wasn't it?
About 2 hours, yeah.
Yeah. So it's 2 hours. 2 hours to go down to the pond and 2 hours to come back, wasn't it? How many tours have you done lately? No?
I haven't done this before.
This is your first one, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, fair enough. Makes it fair, doesn't it? I was checking. I've been doing since 2008 on my one actually. One was Tanmere. I guess what the other one was. I was on Gresley when it was in blue. It was when it was based on the North Yorkshire Moors Railway. Before it was transferred to the main line by Jamie Hoskins Collections. Because Branuton owns Hoskins owns Gresley now. Because he's got his own basic crew. Jamie Hoskins own collection called Suffolk Trades, and he's also owned Steam Dunes as well now. Bit interesting of that, isn't it? Well, I don't need that anymore now. All that. Just like Thomas the Tank. Yeah, this is what I like doing, my favourite stretches of the line. I'll pass the milk on the up fast now. Yeah, been out passing through milk again. Yeah, class 70. I thought it was going to be those weird marked carriages, one carriages further down, but it turns out it was on these cold carriages instead. But it's nice to see use Hoskins carriages for a bit of fun, isn't it, eh? Yeah, through Millbrook. The way you done British Indian line was last year with the end of summer, 2 years ago with the end of summer steam with my cousin on board, and guess what? Scott Walker was supposed to be telling me to get off a bloody Brookwood. I don't want to get off bloody Brookwood because I had some company. And you don't understand. I don't want to abandon people who are abandoned, isn't it? So guess what? Mum thinks she's abandoning me, but she says, we don't abandon you. It's just sometimes there's a little miss up, you know what I mean though? But you can't help with that, isn't it? Especially because when I tried to draw Harry Potter right, I got it wrong and I had to try to copy the exact same thing on the movie. I mean, it's not that easy, isn't it? I just, you know what? I just don't know why my school had to talk about Harry Potter. I'm just my friend of mine kind of doesn't mean like Harry Potter very much either. Actually, it is difficult life, isn't it? When you choose things you want to watch, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like some good movies, but not crazy ones to watch. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, we know it's Southampton Centre again. Looks like we're nearly there now. Quite good. That's quite a good 2-hour journey. I love that actually. Okay, on the platform bit. I'm doing it again since we're on the platform bit. Past the signal box.